Hello, I'm in a 2013 Subaru Impreza, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. So first you open the hood, and then on the driver's side here you should see your battery mounted here with your positive terminal and your negative. And you can always double check on the battery as well, because there's a negative mark and a positive mark right here. We'll pop this little cover off. Try not to break it. It should just slide off though. There we go. Then next I check for corrosion, so you can clean off any corrosion that built up around the terminals here with a good brush or rag. Clean those up nice. Make sure these are tight next, so tighten these up as needed. And then from there, with your jump box or your jumper cables leading to another car, you take your metal clamps and have the red positive directly to the metal here, and then your negative clamps directly to the metal here. And if you're running to another vehicle, make sure you're not crisscrossing them by mistakes. You want to make sure this positive runs to the positive battery on the other car, and your negative runs directly to the negative on the other car. And then after a few minutes of a good connection and the other vehicle running, hopefully that'll get you enough juice to start. If you've been trying for quite a while and you've got a good connection and it's still not working, you might need to replace this battery. In which case, you just loosen these terminals to take them off, loosen these little support brackets to take this off, lift the old battery out, stick your new battery in, retighten everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope that's helpful. You have a good day.